Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you set up the indicators for price alert into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to set up indicators, you just simply have to open your Bitget, and after opening your Bitget you will get to see this icon into the top left corner. Simply tap into that and select your profile from this section. After selecting your profile, you will get to see this option of notifications in here. Tap to notifications and scroll down to all the way bottom. And after scrolling down to all the way bottom, you will get this option of remarkable price changes. Tap into that and you will get to see this option of indicators in here. You can choose between large buy, large sell and many more till rapid slump. You can choose between any of these options and tap to save button, and your price alert indicators will be saved. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.